So you guys probably think I'm crazy. Probably already do. However, my eyelashes, to make them stand out even more than they already do. Hold on. I'm getting help from my little boy. You need to make it look at mommy. Okay, so hold it right there. Okay, so what I do to help with my eyelashes get even longer and more curly is I blow dry them. Hold it still. Okay, nice and still. Okay, so put it on warm on a medium or low setting, and you just blow dry those gorgeous little beautiful eyelashes. And then I like to throw it on cold just to give it a little bit. Look at those eyelashes. Okay, can you see the difference between the two? Now ready? Here's the other one. I know, crazy, right? Crazy. However, ready? And now we'll throw it on cold. Get those gorgeous beauties nice and curly. Woo!